Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be making Haitian red beans and rice. Now, traditionally, it's prepared with our Haitian Epis, also known as our Haitian Seasoning Base, but I'm going to show you the exact process of how you can make it in the Instant Pot. So, let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you wash your beans thoroughly. Next, in the Instant Pot, go ahead and add in your water, followed by the beans. Once you've added the beans, go ahead and cover it and turn the knob to sealing. Pressure cook the beans on high for 20 minutes. Once the beans are done, go ahead, quick release. Drain the beans and set it aside, reserving the water, as we will be using it to make the rice. Returning back to the Instant Pot, click on Saute and adjust the timer for 5 minutes. Add in the oil and allow the oil to heat up. Once heated, go ahead and add in the garlic, followed by the onions. Stir well to combine and saute for about 1 minute. Once you are done, go ahead and add in the beans. Stir it lightly, then season it with salt and pepper, ground cloves or allspice. You can use allspice as a substitute. And our Haitian Epis. If you don't have Haitian Epis, the full recipe to make it is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Go ahead and stir and add in the rice. Be sure to wash the rice properly. It's best to wash the rice until the water runs clear. Add in the water from the beans, followed by the coconut milk. Stir well to combine. Cover, and on the Instant Pot, select rice. Allow the rice to cook for 12 minutes. Once you are done, quick release and fluff your rice. And that's it. Go ahead and transfer the rice to a serving bowl and you're ready to eat. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget the full recipe is on the website. Please go ahead and check it out, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers!